Do you think money is the world? Do you believe it's everything? Are you mad at money? Do you really think you can attain all things if you have money? No, dear, it's not true. There are things far more precious than the fleeting glitter of wealth. Money, my friend, is poison. It's a venom that slowly eats away at your soul, leaving nothing but emptiness in its wake. But it's not the money itself that's the problem. It's the lack of mastery over it. Listen closely, for this story will unravel the mysteries of money and reveal its true nature.
Money is power. With it, I can buy anything I desire. Who needs anything when you have wealth? Who needs friendship when you can buy loyalty?
John thought he had it all figured out. He believed that money was the answer to every problem, the key to eternal happiness. But little did he know, his obsession with wealth was leading him down a dark and treacherous path.
Still empty. Why does this money not satisfy me? Where to find eternal peace? I am lost.
The more John chased after money, the more it slipped through his fingers. His greed consumed him, turning him into a slave to his own desires. But just when it seemed like all hope was lost, John stumbled upon a mentor, an old sage who had mastered the art of wealth. Through patience and wisdom, the mentor taught John the true value of money.
Money is a tool, John. It's not the end goal, but a means to an end. Use it wisely, and it will serve you. But let it rule you, and you'll be its slave forever. Remember, actual richness is not the weight of your pocket, but richness your heart, richness of your soul.
With newfound clarity, John embarked on a journey to master his relationship with money. He learned to invest wisely, to give generously, and to live with purpose. And as he grew in wisdom, so did his wealth. But this time, it was different. It wasn't the money that defined him, but the good he did with it. In the end, John realized that money wasn't the enemy. It was merely a reflection of the person wielding it. And with his newfound mastery, he transformed poison into nectar, turning his life into a testament to the power of wealth used wisely. So, my friend, this is Believe, Circumflex, Achieve Stories. The next time you find yourself chasing after money, remember the tale of John. For in his journey lies the ultimate truth. Money is neither good nor evil. It's simply a tool. The real power lies within you.